Where to start? My current system, I just upgraded from the Ryzen 2700. I got myself a 5900X. We're going to test it in a bit, but I wanted to show my case first. If you're really astute, you would notice it's an upside down build. That case did not come with an upside down variety. I modified the DIYPC F2 orange. Basically what you do is take the sides off, drill out all the rivets, put the bottom on the top on the bottom, and flip the front and put it all back together. The one thing I had to do in the garage was the top part. I had to flatten the rivet holes because they were stamped to a pattern that didn't work. So, as I said, I got the Ryzen 5900X. Just purchased, and the motherboard, the AORUS M, and the cooler is this here Peerless Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE. Maybe while we're at it, the display. The TCL 55-inch, 120 Hertz. Supports variable frame rate. And might as well talk about the the graphics card, 3060. So that's my upgrade from the build I did in 2019. Well, a quick peek at this here CPU ID program. Ryzen 5900X, Gigabyte AORUS M B450. Memory is 3600. Teamgroup is the brand, and that's all I'm going to look at in there. Now I've got Shotcut open here. I'm editing a video, and I just finished all my edits, and now we're going to run the CPU through it, make it work. I don't know if you can see the frequencies. My temperature, 54. That's about as low as it idles. And that's the only things we're going to look at right now. And I just want you to pay attention to these fans. You can't see them, but you'll hear them in a second. So I just have to go export. I'm going to go to the right folder. Okay, started to edit. Surprised the fans haven't ramped. There they go. That's the only thing I don't like about the 5900X. But if we go back to the benchmarking, I'm at 4200, it looks like 4300. It bounces. And I got in the bias, the limit set to 79C. And that's where the temperature is going to sit for the whole edit. The frequency is going to bounce around. It's probably going to hit 41 at some point, but anyway, I'll come back towards the end of the video edit. We're at 11%. Okay, we're down to like 44 seconds. And my temps are still 79. I just wanted to look at the temps here. I wanted to look at the watts. 144, 157. That's interesting. And then go back to the frequencies. .17. Temperature 79. And we're just going to watch these fans, or listen to these fans spin down. Any second. So they calm down pretty quickly. And we're back to 3.7 idle. 0 CPU usage. And our temps have dropped remarkably, 57 already. And the edit's all done. It's a 14-minute something video, and took 6 minutes to edit. It's 1440p, 60 hertz. So that's my 5900X summarized. Love to hear the comments.